What's up guys? Tyler here at SuperATV alongside Aaron and Tim from Powersports Freaks and Grant, the lucky winner of trail giveaway number 9 on Powersports Freaks giveaway. We are here at SuperATV. We revealed this machine to Grant, the lucky winner. We decked this machine out with SuperATV's GDP Portals, 40-inch Intimidator tires, Rhino axles, anything and everything we could put on this machine, we hooked it up with. And man, it is a beast. We didn't even get to see it until it showed up here to give it away to Grant. And lucky for us, Grant lives in North Vernon, just north of Madison here in Indiana. What better way to reveal it would bring it down to our shop and give it away. So Grant, tell us a little bit about what did it take to win this awesome machine?
I like the products they have. I bought some shirts and some hats and stuff off of them, and every one you buy you get chances to win the giveaways, and didn't think it was possible. Just wondered whoever won these things, and it could turn out to be me on this one.
That's awesome, man. You got a beautiful ride here. And Aaron, tell us a little bit about what Powersport Freaks does for the people that don't know what you guys do.
We're over in New York, and we build these awesome rides. A lot of parts from SuperATV go on our rides. They're all full custom side-by-sides, ATVs, UTVs, and we give them away every few months to a lucky customer of ours. So there's a few ways to get entered. Grant was a VIP member of our website. VIP members get entries every single month to win our giveaways, plus other kinds of VIP perks. Or any purchase at powersportfreaks.com also gets you entered. So Grant is a VIP member. He picked up some t-shirts, hat, all kinds of stuff, and got his entries, and today he's the lucky winner.
That's awesome. I suggest that everybody watching this head over to their Facebook page, Powersports Freaks, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and keep up to date with what they got going on. Go over to superatv.com, check out all the products we offer, and go to our YouTube channel as well. We're always posting new content daily. We appreciate you watching this video, and check out Powersport Freaks. This could be you winning an awesome UTV.
And check out SuperATV for some awesome parts for your side-by-side and UTV. You can build something like this in your own garage. We did.